You were injured by a doctor here in New York, and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, and you're thinking, hey, if you bring a case and now you settle it, you can still get on TV, you can call a press conference, you can tell the world about what a horrible doctor this was and about all the injuries that he caused to you. Well, I have to share something with you. You likely will not be able to do that. You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. When you bring a lawsuit against a doctor claiming that he violated the basic standards of medical care causing you injury, and now your case goes through the litigation process, if you reach a point where now the defense wants to settle your case, one of the conditions that they will likely come to you with is, listen, if you want to settle this case prior to trial, you must agree to a gag order. Or another word for it is a non-disclosure agreement. Now what is that? It means that if you go ahead and settle the case, you agree you cannot disclose the details of the settlement. It means you cannot get on social media. It means you can't call a press conference and announce to the world that you sued this doctor, he screwed up big time, and now he and his insurance company have gone ahead and settled this case on your behalf. Why is that? Why would the insurance company prohibit and prevent you from going ahead and using your freedom of speech to tell the world about what happened to you? There are a couple of key reasons why they don't want you doing that. Number one, they don't want the publicity. Number two, they don't want other attorneys to know what it was that you settled your case for. Why not? Because there will be other cases that follow yours. And now, if other attorneys learn that your injuries settled for a particular amount, what do you think will happen? The other attorneys will now use that as a guide to determine what other injuries are worth in cases that they bring against that doctor or against the insurance company. Hey, you settled a case against Oginski for $600,000, and that only had this injury. Well, my client has much worse injuries, and now this case is worth $1 million. So what other attorneys will do is now use that as the bar by which to judge all other injuries. And the defense doesn't want that to happen because they don't want the other attorneys to know what they settled the case for. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for your injuries and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.